Have you ever walked outside after a particularly blustery day to find your outdoor items scattered or even damaged? Strong winds can turn seemingly sturdy backyard equipment into a hazard, potentially causing significant damage or injury. To protect outdoor grills from wind damage, the most effective strategies involve securing them with anchors or weights, covering them with heavy-duty covers that can be tightly fastened, and storing them in a sheltered location, like a garage or shed, especially when severe weather is forecast. Grills, particularly those made with lighter materials, are susceptible to wind because they often have a relatively large surface area for their weight. This combination allows wind to easily catch them, tipping them over or even lifting and moving them. Propane tanks, if not properly secured, can become dangerous projectiles or rupture if struck, making comprehensive wind protection a critical safety measure. There are several practical steps you can take. For grills that ranges outdoors, invest in a durable, custom-fit grill cover made from thick, weather-resistant material. Ensure the cover has straps or drawstrings that can be securely tightened around the grill's base. For added stability, you can use bungee cords to fasten the grill to a nearby fence, railing, or heavy outdoor furniture. Consider anchoring kits that connect the grill legs directly to the ground or placing sandbags or heavy paver stones on the bottom shelf to increase its weight and lower its center of gravity. When positioning your grill, choose a spot against a wall or in a corner of your patio where it receives some natural windbreak. Beyond covers and anchors, a key insider tip is to always detach and safely store propane tanks separately during extreme wind conditions. They should be stored upright in a well-ventilated area, away from ignition sources. Additionally, some manufacturers offer specialized grill weights or stabilizing feet as accessories, which can be a worthy investment for hurricane-prone or very windy regions, providing an extra layer of defense against unexpected gusts. By proactively implementing these securing and storage strategies, you not only safeguard your valuable outdoor cooking appliance from costly damage, but also significantly reduce the risk of your grill or its components becoming dangerous flying debris. Taking these simple precautions provides greater peace of mind and contributes to the overall safety of your home and property during windy weather.